So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another collab featuring LUVME hair. So I'll be reviewing this cute kind of shoulder length curly wig with bangs, as you guys can see. So make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig. I will have the link for you guys and all that stuff. And of course, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies. So if you're interested in hearing about this cute little curly wig from LUVME hair, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 1 comb in the back and it has 2 combs in the front. It also has an adjustable strap and it has an elastic band. Okay, y'all know I love when companies add that elastic band into the wig because it's very helpful. Very helpful. Now the company did of course give me a couple of goodies, so I do have my own little LUVME hair bag which you can put the wig in for storage. They also sent me an edge brush and they sent me a little mirror and they also sent me a pack of wig caps. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit more details about this wig. So again, this wig is from LUVME hair. This is their natural short curly top lace fringe wig with bangs. This is upgraded 2.0. I believe the length that I have is 12 inches, but they have it in 10 inches or 12 inches. 12 inches retails for $124.90. If you don't want to pay full price, of course, you can use Afterpay or Zip, which will divide the payment into 4 payments of $31.23. Now this wig is a put on and go wig, so I'm going to definitely show you guys how quickly it takes me to take the wig off and put the wig back on. But again, this is their upgraded 2.0 wig, which has a more natural look for its newly added undetectable top lace for parting. I did forget to tell you guys that this is a middle part, as y'all can see. So install and take off within 2 minutes, full and fluffy style, super easy to manage. truly glueless and protective, cute bangs, and fits your face perfectly. So it's about 12 inches. Hair material is 100% virgin hair from one donor. Lasts up to 1 year. The color is natural black, but it can be dyed. Straps are adjustable, and the lace area is about 2.75 by 1 inch minimum lace. So as you guys saw as well, all I did was add some water to this wig. Now I had this wig on earlier, so earlier I did put a little bit of my curl defining jelly by Curls. When I put this wig back on to finish this video, I just added water, and as y'all can see, the curls are really pretty. It looks better now than what it looked earlier, okay? So all you gotta do is put some water, some mousse, some leave-in conditioner, something in there just to help to define the curls, and you got yourself a cute little throw on and go curly hair. Now I'm about to show you guys how quickly it is to take this wig off and put this wig back on. Now we are gonna try to take this wig off and put it back on in less than 2 minutes, like LUVME hair says. So we are about to do this little challenge and see how long it takes me to take the wig off and put it back on. So y'all see how fluffy this wig is. It is really fluffy. I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around one more time. So this is how it looks in the front, the side, the back, and the other side. So really cute, okay? And like I said, throw on and go takes you no time at all. So if you're in a hurry to get out of the house, this is the perfect wig for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I do want to thank LUVME Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the length, the texture, all of that good stuff. Would you rock this wig? How's this wig look on me? And all of that. And as promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies. So my code will be down below in the description box, as well as in the pinned comment, and of course right here on the screen for you guys. So my code is my name, Lindsay, capital L, lowercase INDSAY, and that will save you 23% off of your purchase. So that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.